you got to ignore the it's foggy because I've still got the peel on here, and I'll leave that for your cousin to take off. Yeah, that's the sticker from the... But yes, so running... well, hold on. Can you hear it? Kind of hear it. I mean, you know, I mean, it's a mini ITX, so it will... But the more blades you have on the fan, the quieter it will be with under load. This is, I would say, this is under the most load it's probably going to be under. We're sitting here, Cyberpunk. Oh, nice. Oh, no, sorry, that's the janky mouse. Sorry, my mouse isn't connected directly to the PC. It's connected to a dongle on the back of the whatchamacallit screen. So that's why that jutters. So yeah, ignore that jutter just then. That was the mouse. That's just because I didn't want. Well, I've got enough cables there anyway. But yes, right. But yes, no, this is under the most load I think it would ever be under. And yeah, oh, that's nice. That's what you'd expect, and yeah.